Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Yes, microscopes can see diseases, but it depends on the type and complexity of the microscope and the disease in question. Traditional optical, light, microscopes can identify larger pathogens, such as bacteria and parasites, by their shape, size, and staining patterns. However, viruses are much smaller and usually require an electron microscope to be seen. Microscopy plays a critical role in diagnosing various diseases by examining blood samples, tissue biopsies, and other bodily fluids. This allows for the identification of many conditions, from infections to cancers, at a cellular level.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.